Does Toyota have Autopilot? In this video, I'll be going over some of the Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 and 2.5 Plus features, Toyota's version of Autopilot. In this video, you can see that I'm not steering the wheel. The car is doing its thing, driving down the lane. And right now, it's prompting me to put my hands on the wheel. I do that, and I go right back into lane tracing assist. At this point, the car is driving itself, detecting the vehicle in front of me to keep a distance, no matter how fast I have the speed set on the cruise control. If you ask me, that's pretty great. It also has other features like collision prevention. It can detect pedestrians, cyclists in some lightings, and other objects. I have practically used it for a 1,000-mile trip from Miami to Michigan, and I can say it takes a lot of the stress off driving. You do still need to have your hands on the wheel practically every 8 to 10 seconds. The car will prompt you to put your hands on the wheel, and as you do that, then it'll continue driving on its own. Keep in mind that this is not full-time self-driving or autonomous vehicle, and there are times that you're going to have to take over the wheel. Now in this clip, I'll be showing the settings that I have activated and I have found that work best for me. So if you can relate and your vehicle has safety sense and haven't maybe gotten around to using it or don't understand it, you can go ahead and copy my settings. But remember, you can always refer to the vehicle's owner's manual for additional information. Now, after turning on all these settings, I'll be explaining how to activate them by using the buttons on your steering wheel, which are used to activate the cruise control, the preset distances you would like to keep from the car in front of you, and the lane tracing assist. Now, by hitting this button, you will turn on your dynamic radar cruise control. And on the dashboard, you should see something that reads like this: radar ready. You use this button to adjust the speed. This button lets you choose the preset distance you want to keep from the car in front of you. And this button turns on and off lane tracing assist. And this is what it should all look like, including these two green indicators at the top left. Now that's about everything, and I hope this video has helped you guys. And if it has, please like and subscribe.